In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello. I have written a basic trading strategy with PineScript on TradingView, and I will explain it step by step. This strategy is only for the 3-hour Bitcoin time frame. I will explain the entire process from writing the code, backtesting, chart analysis, and strategy results analysis. Now, let's take a general look at the strategy code, and I will explain it line by line. Specifies that this script uses PineScript version 6. Author signature or copyright notice. Begins the strategy definition block. The name of the strategy shown in TradingView. Draws plots and labels directly on the chart. Limits to one open position at a time. Uses a percentage of account equity for position sizing. Allocates 100% of equity for each trade. Updates calculations on every tick, not just bar close. Orders execute without waiting for candle close. Commission is measured as a percentage of trade value. Commission rate is 0.2% per trade side. Adds 100 ticks of slippage for realism in backtests. Sets the starting balance to $100. Uses US dollars as the base currency. Closes the strategy function block. EMA for trend detection. ATR for market volatility. True if price is above EMA, bullish trend. RSI 7 to measure momentum. Buy signal when RSI crosses above lower level. Sell signal when RSI crosses below upper level. Detect if RSI rising now. Detect if RSI falling now. Condition to open trade. Condition to exit trade. If entry condition is true, open a trade. Open a long position. Initialize once after entry. Store average fill price. TP equals 6 ATR plus 0.2 ATR if above EMA. Run exit logic only when a position is open. If any exit fires, close position. Close the long trade with tag. Function to compute trailing take profit price. If enabled, close times 1 plus PCT. Function to compute trailing stop loss price. If enabled, high times 1 minus PCT. Run trailing only with one open trade. Initialize once per position. Set initial trailing TP. Set initial trailing SL. Place managed exit with trail and stop. Exit order ID. Use trailing SL as stop. Use trailing TP as anchor. Small dynamic step in ticks. Close strategy.exit call. This image shows a complete combination of the code logic, its performance on the chart, and the backtest results. At the bottom of the page, in the Strategy Tester section, you can see a summary of the backtest results. Total return has grown by approximately 20,796% compared to the initial capital. A total of 561 trades were made, with about 80% of them being successful. The max drawdown was recorded at around 30%. The main change occurred in the cost simulation section. Here, commission equals 0.1% was set, meaning a 0.1% fee is considered for every buy or sell. This change made the backtest results a bit more realistic, and the numbers below the chart show this. Total P&L around 6,696%. Max equity drawdown around 31.7%. Total trades 561 trades. Win rate around 78%. In summary, this image shows that by simply adding a small realistic fee, the total profit dropped from around 20,000% to about 6,000%, showing how important considering costs is for the accuracy of backtests and how they can affect the results. In this version, slippage equals 100 ticks is set. This means the strategy is tested with a real price discrepancy between the order price and the market execution price. This setting is very important in volatile markets like crypto, because it makes the backtest results closer to actual price behavior. At the bottom of the page, the backtest results are updated with the new slippage setting. Total P&L around plus 3,339 USD or 3,394% profit. Max drawdown around 452 USD or 32% loss. Total trades 554 trades. Win rate around 76.5%. This image shows that when realistic slippage is considered in the test, the total profit decreases, but the results are more realistic and closer to live execution. This is essential for accurately evaluating the real performance of the strategy. In this version, commission equals 0.2% is set. The backtest results with these final conditions are displayed. Total P&L around plus 1,034 USD or 1,051% profit. Max equity drawdown around 155 USD or 36% loss. Total trades 554 trades. Win rate around 73.6%. Below, the option Using Bar Magnifier is enabled. This feature is one of the most important settings as it simulates intra-bar behavior, such as price fluctuation between open and close. The result is that the strategy performs more accurately, realistically, and closer to live execution. At the bottom of the page, the final backtest results are displayed with high accuracy. Total P&L around plus 576 USD or 585% profit. See you in the next session. Trade wisely,